ẹ̀yin èèyàn ọba Solomon ti sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n jí gbé nílùú Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ àti ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbésùmọ̀mí tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ káàkiri gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ àti Nàìjíríà. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ wá lọ farabalẹ̀ gbóhun tí ọba Solomon sọ. Kódà ọba Solomon mú àwọn ọ̀nà àbáyọ tó yẹ kí ìjọba ṣe. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kí gbogbo tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí kó ba lè dẹ́kun, kó ba lè dáwọ́ dúró nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ farabalẹ̀ ẹ wá lọ gbọ́ ohun tí ọba Solomon sọ ní fọ́nrán yìí.
Gbogbo ìṣòro tó dé bá Nàìjíríà yìí nǹkan kékeré ni, ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tó fẹ́ pa Nàìjíríà lọ́wọ́ yìí báyìí à ń claim right. Trailer face yẹ ó ń claim right. So instead of ká yanjú nǹkan ní applicable à ń bára wa jà. We don't need it, man. Gbogbo ìṣòro Nàìjíríà nǹkan tí mo lè solve within 6 months péré ni. President ẹ pè àwọn non-tenant because ọ̀dọ̀ wọn làwọn arábìnrin pọ̀ sí jù. Kí lẹ fẹ́? Kí nìdí tẹ́ fi ń dà lóru? Instead of ká lọ máa ra ìbọn all the time, ká lọ máa ra bomb at the end of the day. Bomb yẹn ò lè solve ìṣòro wa. At the end of the day, gbogbo instrument tẹ́ fi owó wa rà, ohun ìjà ogun tẹ́ fi owó wa rà kò lè solve problem tó wà lẹ̀. So if you cannot fight somebody, then plead. Tó bá lè borí èèyàn kan bẹ́ẹ̀ fine, that is it. Ẹni tó bá ti mọ̀ pé ẹni tí bá bá jà mi ò lè borí ẹ̀, àbí ẹni yìí tí ò lè bá jà, then beg instead of to be killing people anyhow, man. Hello sir, Mr. President, well, I know that you will be hearing me. Àwọn èèyàn ti kú gan o, àwọn èèyàn ti jìyà gan o. Àwọn kan jẹgba lọ́wọ́ nínú igbó báyìí, wọ́n rape àwọn kan lọ́wọ́ báyìí, wọ́n bẹ́ orí àwọn kan lọ́wọ́ báyìí, wọ́n gé orí àwọn kan lọ́wọ́ báyìí, wọ́n tẹ igi sínú òbò àwọn kan lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Ẹ̀rù ọlá àwọn ènìyàn wọ̀nyẹn. Tẹ́ bá mọ̀ wípé àwọn ará bí ẹ ò lè bá wọn jà, ẹ bẹ̀ wọ́n. Ẹ pè àwọn tí ọ̀rọ̀ kàn, ẹ jókòó round table. Hello, kí lẹ fẹ́? Instead of to be wasting life of people without no reason. Nǹkan tó yà mí lẹ́nu lọ́rọ̀ yẹn bandit yìí ni wípé ṣebí owó lẹ sọ pé ẹ ní ìdí kí ló tẹ́ tó fi ń pa àwọn ọmọ lọ́mọ. Why? Okay? Ìyẹn la máa fi mọ̀ pé ẹ serious. When you leave the work of bandit, you don't want to have husband, you don't want to have wife, you don't want to have children. If they do that for your children, will you like it? No. Why are we killing ourselves? We don't need it. We don't need it, man. How do you convince? Báwo lẹ ṣe ní ọkàn láti pa ènìyàn? Ó yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. So ẹ̀yin ìjọba Nàìjíríà, if you cannot fight with those people, beg them. Yeah, instead of to be wasting our life anyhow. Yes, ẹ má bínú. Kí lẹ fẹ́? Wọ́n ní kò báyìí làwọn fẹ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fún wọn. Kó dẹ̀ dá dúró sáyé tiwọn. Fine. Okay? Instead of àwọn èèyàn jìyà gan mẹ́. They are killing people a lot. Àwọn èèyàn ti jìyà gan. People ẹ̀mí ti sọnù gan. Nigeria ń bleed sínú. Ilé tó wà lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì lẹ́rí. Àìmọye àwọn cases tó jẹ́ pé kò wá sórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì. Àìmọye cases tó jẹ́ pé a ò gbọ́. Not supposed us to be like this. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà, gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ti sọ fún yín, pọ́lọ́ ń pè mí lánàá. Kì í ṣe àkókò àti máa bú àwọn president wa láwa yìí. A ò ní ìdàtí bú wọn. Ó ti dàrú mọ́ wọn lójú. Wọn mọ wọn ti fẹ́ sí. Ìyànjú ká gbà wọn ní advice. Ìkan ló sọ̀rọ̀ ẹni sìn níkì. Ó ní kí ló ń wí? Ogun tó ń ja àwọn olórí orílẹ̀-èdè ẹ ló ń jà ẹ lọ́wọ́ ìbáyìí. Mo ń plead fún àwọn olórí orílẹ̀-èdè ẹ nísìn wípé kó ń plead fún àwọn tó ń pa wọ́n tó ń bá lè bá wọn jà. mo ní kí ìwọ kẹ̀kọ́ má bu olóró orílẹ̀-èdè ẹ o ní kí ni wí so bí ìwọ ṣe ya lórí bú bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń bú wọn yẹn kémi náà máa bú wọn ká wá bà gbogbo ẹ̀ jẹ́ àbí kán lè pa gbogbo yín tán. Let me tell you something. The key of life ẹ ò mọ̀ tó bá jẹ́ alágbára tó bá ń bá ènìyàn jà ìwọ tó jẹ́ alágbára yẹn wàá lose ẹni tó bá jà máa lose nǹkan tó yẹ yín nìyẹn that is the reason why I don't fight. I come again. America tó bá Iran jà ìbá àwọn ó borí ìbá àwọn ò borí òun náà lose èèyàn àwọn tẹ́ lose yẹn kọ́ sí bí èèyàn kan ló bí wọn. Instead of to be losing people let's ẹ jẹ́ ká yanjú kí ni applicable mẹ́ instead of kẹ́ máa pa àwọn èèyàn ní how àwọn tí ò mọwọ́ tí ò mẹsẹ̀ kì í sára yín lẹ́ ń pa àwọn tí ò mọ nǹkan nípa nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe lẹ́ ń pa so kí ló dé instead of ẹ ń sí èrè ẹ ti yá wèrè ẹ máa sánkú ní is that bring solution? No. mo rí àwọn kan tí ebi content ń pa ìwà abiyamọ tí ò bá fẹ́ fojú sunkún ọmọ bí wípé o gbọ́dọ̀ share life yìí sí ẹ̀ ń sí èrè ni ṣé ìwọ ló fura fóònù fún mi ni is that how to talk? Are you stupid? Ṣé tipátipá lè yàn fi share fídíò ni man? It's too much. That word is too much. You don't do the video because of people. You do the video because you want to get followers. You want to get viewers to collect money from Facebook. You are stupid. There's so many of them. Ìwà abiyamọ tó bá fẹ́ fojú sunkún ọmọ o gbọ́dọ̀ share fídíò yìí. That's stupidity, man. Lack of knowledge. Okay? You are not helping them. What we need is solution, not abusing. You got to need the lower buy. Solution ni. Bikini ò ní ṣe máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Because ó ti kọjá, ó ti bank, nǹkan ti bàjẹ́ tó pọ̀. What we need now is solution. Not I want to be in my right. O gbé ká lọ, trailer face yẹ, o no fẹ́ dun right yẹ. Trailer pa mọ́tò ẹ, a tún ẹ sí kòtò. Okay? Gbogbo ẹ ti dojúrú, gbogbo ẹ ti fojú pọ̀. Now, what is the solution? He said, àná lọ́lọ́run pè mí o, kì í ṣe pé bí àmì náà normal o. Yes. Kì í ṣe pé bí àmì náà wúlò o bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn o, bóyá àmì náà nice o. Ọlọ́run pè mí lánàá. Ó dẹ̀ ní kí gbà yín níyànjú pé kí bá àwọn pastor sọ̀rọ̀, kí bá gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè ayé sọ̀rọ̀. Iṣẹ́ tí Ọlọ́run rán mi mò ń jẹ lọ́wọ́ yìí o. Tán bá wá bí yín kú. Ẹ lè ṣe kọjá lé tí mo sọ yìí o. Màá padà sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀sùn. Mo mọ nǹkan tí màá tún ṣe fún yín. But nǹkan tí àwọn Holy Center ń sọ fún mi pé kí n sọ fún yín ni wípé tí ẹ ò bá lè bá àwọn ará bí yìí jà, ẹ bẹ̀ wọ́n. Ẹ béèrè pé kí ni wọ́n fẹ́. Kí ni ìdí tẹ́ fi ń pa àwọn ọmọ lọ́mọ? Kí lẹ fẹ́? Ẹjọ́ yanjú ẹ̀ applicable. Ẹ plead fún wọn. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ọmọ ẹ̀ náà ń pa báyìí tí ẹ máa dùn. Why are you doing all these things? Why are you killing people anyhow? Because of what? Ọdún mélòó la fẹ́ jọ lò láyé? After 150 years, gbogbo àwa tá wà níbí ya ti dìtàn. I come again? After 150 years, all of us here, we are nothing. I'm at the law. Where's our forefather, man? Why are we killing ourselves? We don't need it. We need to come together. All what you know that is giving you problems, say it. Àwọn kidnappers tó wà nínú Igboh gan, inú wọn ò dùn níbi tán wà yẹn. Òjò wọn máa rọ̀ pa wọ́n máa wọnú Igboh kiri. Is it normal work? No! Àwọn gan wọn ò lè sọ pé inú wọn dùn níbi tán wà yẹn. They can't tell me that they are happy there. So please, let's come together. Ká yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà ńlẹ̀ yìí. Kí ló dé, kí lẹ fẹ́? ẹ sọ kẹ́ padà sínú ilé yín. Ẹ má gbénú gbó mọ́, kò sérè ńbẹ̀. Kill people, rape people, pa èèyàn, gé orí ènìyàn, kò sérè kankan ńbẹ̀ mẹ́. Don't need it. We need ourselves to succeed. Hausa need Yoruba. Yoruba need Hausa. Our mentality is the one that is giving us problem. I need to become a leader. You need to become a leader. This one need to become a leader. If we calm down for ourselves, everybody will enjoy and leave the world. Life is nonsense. This life is nonsense. You said that you want to become a king. Become a king. Then, Igboh, you go to your house, I go to my house. You are king in your palace. You are not king in my room, eh? Let's understand ourselves. All what we are fighting for is nonsense. God does not have any religion. Religion of God is humanity. If God have religion, rain will only fall for people that go to church and mosque. If God can give herbalist a rain, if God can give the person that don't know God rain, the person that don't read Bible does not read Quran rain, that means God is a God of humanity. He's not a God of selfishness. He's not a God of killer. He's not a God that will tell you that go and kill somebody. See the breast. See the rain. See everything that our God do for us. Not anyone that is affecting us. We are human being that is affecting ourselves. Can you see what is happening in Iran, America? Those people, they are Christian and Muslim. If God and Allah can be fighting like that, can you know, you need to understand the word that this life we are deceiving ourselves. No, religion is nothing. God does not know any religion. I come again. God does not know any religion. If Iran and Israel can be fighting, if Iran and Israel can be fighting, so please, I plead to you, let's calm down. Anything we know that is giving us problem, let's find solution for it. Let's gather together. Let's sit down together and talk together instead of killing our soldiers. Do you know how many soldiers that have died without no reason, without no point? It's not supposed to be like that. Soldiers have father, soldiers have mother, soldiers have wife, soldiers have sisters. Do you know how many kidnappers that they have killed? Do you know how many innocent soldiers that they have killed because of this Mara? It's not supposed to be like that, man. I don't go to school. But I speak the one that I understand so that all of us can understand what I'm saying. I'm nothing. I'm nothing. I'm a human being like you. You are a human being like me. So please, let's stop killing ourselves. We don't need it. Let's come together and make Nigeria better, man. Instead of be using our power to oppressing ourselves. We don't need it. Please. Okay? So, Mr. President, reps, senators, and so on and so forth, ask those people that, what do you want? Instead of, okay, I'm a government, we need to do the right thing. This is not right time to do the right thing. We need to do wrong things now to correct right things. Yeah. We need to do wrong things to correct right things. Because our right now cannot favor us. Our right now cannot save us. We have started this fighting since 2015. We have buy thousands of ammunition, what did they call it? In the time of Jonathan, Jonathan buy a lot of ammunition to face the insecurity. What is the result? Nothing. It's increasing every day. Increasing every day. So if you cannot fight with them, let's plead with them and solve this thing. I'm capable. I'm linkable. I don't go to school, man. Sorry for my encyclopedic pretaniculation of real metacologicality of my pronunciation, man. So my English may not correct, and I know I don't regret that I don't hear English because it's not my language. I'm a Yoruba man. I'm a Yoruba man, and I'm proud to be speaking Yoruba all the time. But the reason why I'm saying this English this evening, this morning, this evening, this night is that I want Hausa to be hearing me. I want Fulani to be hearing me. I want Igboh to be hearing me. I want Igala to be hearing me. So if my English is not correct, manage it like that, please. Okay? So please, or if Fulani way they here, Igbo that is they here, Yoruba that is they here, talk to your brothers. Don't let us kill people again. Let's stop it. Let's come together and make Nigeria better. Everybody want to go to America. Everybody want to go to London. Everybody want to go to this. If they don't take care of their town, can you go there? No. Let's take care of our town, our country. Nigeria is a better place. Nigeria is a wonderful place. Nigeria is a blessed place. But what is our problem? Too much of wisdom. Too much of wisdom will give you problem. Too much of wise will give you problem. That is the key. You cannot control me. I cannot control you. I need to be your author. I need to be your guy. That is the problem we have. If Nigeria is better, we can leave one president there to be ruling. Whether it's Igbo, whether it's Hausa, whether it's Yoruba. Yeah. And everything will be fine. But what is our understanding? Where is our education? What is if the education that I and you have that we cannot use to put something to order? Is that education useful? No. The answer is no. I come again. We have professors, we have doctors, we have lawyers, we have thousands of professionals in Nigeria. But we cannot put everything in order. Where's our education? Is zero. Any education that you have, that you cannot use it to put anything in order, the education is zero. Okay? You need to go to school. You need to do this. You need to do that. What is the result? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Graduate plus education is equal to 0 because we cannot do anything tangible. If you get to hospital, you will get corruption there. In the middle of teacher, you will get corruption there. If in the middle of policeman, you will get corruption there. In the middle of soldiers, you will get corruption there. In the middle of lawyer, you will get corruption there. Are we go to school for corruption? What a bad foundation. Let's talk to ourselves and think together. We have been doing all these things. Our forefathers have done all those stupidity. So let's come together and repent and make our life better, man. Okay? We have lost many souls. We have killed thousands of presidents. We have killed thousands of people. Innocent soul. Let's come together and reason together and make everything better, man. Why are you killing me? Why am I killing you? Some years ago, Hausa will bring tomatoes and so on and so forth. Some people will be waiting for Hausa to bring tomatoes. Fulani will bring agumu, cow, and many things. Not fighting. Everybody is going on his own. But how do we get here? How do we get to where when I see Fulani, I will be running? When Fulani see me, he will be running. When Igbo see Yoruba, they will be running. If Yoruba see Igbo, they will be running. Why? It's because of lack of wisdom. The wisdom that we have is for fraud. Okay, let me do it like this. The wisdom that we have is for stupidity, not for to bring something good to our country. Where is your wisdom? Where is your education? Tell me the education that you have that you cannot use to make your country better. Everybody is a graduate. What have you used your graduate to do? What correction have you used your graduate to do in Nigeria? What correction have you do? Tell me. We need to be ashamed of ourselves. Something happened in live video day before yesterday. I cry in my own chest. Kata Efe bring one lady come up in his live video. The lady said, "You are welcome. How are you? Where you are? You are from where?" Kata Efe said that I'm from Nigeria. Then she removed him immediately. Nigeria, we have spoiled our name. Why? We're not supposed to be like that. It's not supposed to be like that. Please, I'm begging you, in the name of God that you believe, in the name of Allah that you believe, in the name of Eledumare that you believe, let's come together and make Nigeria better and ask ourselves, what do I do for you? Why are you vexing for me? Ask me, what do you do? Let's talk together. Then settle the matter. Then live another life. Our life does not, we cannot proud with our life. We cannot proud with our mentality. Now I want to talk to Yoruba people. They will say that I want to bias now. I'm not biased. I know that some Hausa will hear Yoruba. Some Igbo will hear Yoruba. They will interpret for you. I want to talk to Yoruba. I can't speak. I will say something deeper. But because I'm speaking English, I cannot say it deeper because I don't go to school. Yeah, I just try to be speaking English. Yeah. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá. Nǹkan tó fẹ́ bá yín sọ lálẹ́ yìí, mi ò fẹ́ bá yín sọ tẹ́lẹ̀. But Ọlọ́run pè mí lánàá. Tẹ́ bá rí ẹ máa rí páyé mi sìn jẹ́ máa rí para mi balẹ̀ lálẹ́ yìí. Ọlọ́run pè mí lánàá. Mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ jíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run. Ní ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí, Igboho jáde. Sunday Igboho òòṣà. Ó lóun fẹ́ dá ẹgbẹ́ ìjà ẹkùn sílẹ̀. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá jáde. Wọ́n takò. Ìjà ẹkùn ó dà. Ṣùgbọ́n jẹ́ ká béèrè question kan lọ́wọ́ ara wa. Ṣé ẹgbẹ́ yìí Ṣé lóòótọ́ àti lódodo? Ṣé wọ́n lè kọ́ńkà ìjà ẹkùn? Ṣé wọ́n lè kọ́ńkà ogun tó ń jà Nàìjíríà, ogun tó ń jà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá? Ẹ jẹ́ ká béèrè lọ́wọ́ ara wa. The answer, bóyá ìran ẹkùn, the answer is no. How? Instrument wo náà fẹ́ fún ìran ẹkùn tó fẹ́ tó tẹ àwọn sójà Nàìjíríà? Instrument wo náà fẹ́ fún ìran ẹkùn tó fẹ́ tó tẹ àwọn ọlọ́pàá Nàìjíríà? Instrument wo náà fẹ́ fún ìran ẹkùn tó fẹ́ tó tẹ àwọn navy? Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ wípé ẹ̀yin ènìyàn tí ẹ fẹ́ ṣe ìran ẹkùn, tí ẹ ń ṣe àmọ̀tẹ́kùn, irú èèyàn bíi titi náà ló wà ní iṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá, ló wà ní iṣẹ́ sójà. Ẹ ò lè dá nǹkan kan ṣe láì gba ọ̀dà. Ọ̀dà yẹn gangan ni problem yín, ni problem Nàìjíríà, ọ̀dà. Kí ló ń jẹ́ ọ̀dà? Ọ̀dà yẹn gangan ó ní jìbìtì tó wà nínú bọ́ọ̀lù tó ń pè ní offside. Òun náà pè ní offside nínú football. So kí ló ń jẹ́ ọ̀dà? Jìbìtì ló ń jẹ́ ọ̀dà. Nǹkan tó bá ti ní ọ̀dà, kò síwé ẹ̀ kí jìbìtì máa wọ̀. Instead of to be wasting our time, if they want to compensate Olóyè Sunday Igboho, let them compensate him. Wọ́n lè dá ìjà ẹkùn sílẹ̀, bó ṣe sọ, but they cannot do any solution for Yoruba. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa, kì í ṣe ká máa bú ara wa ní kókó. Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn cannot do any solution for Yoruba. Soldiers cannot do any solution for Yorubas. Policemen cannot do any solution for Yorubas. Cannot do any solution for Nigeria. What can do solution? OPC cannot do any solution for Nigeria. What can do solution for you is unite. If I unite, if you unite, kò sí ẹni tí a fẹ́ lọ máa fi ìbọn lé nínú igbó. When we cooperate, kò sẹ́ni tí a fẹ́ lọ máa fi ìbọn pa. Àwọn olùfẹ́ lọ máa pa, àwọn olùfẹ́ lọ máa lé kiri. Well, let me ask this question in English. I can't say it in English, but somebody should help me to do that. Igboh, say ìwúrí ni. Is it a proud that Yoruba kill Hausa? Say oríire ni. Say achievement ni. Pé Igboh ó pa Yoruba. Say achievement ni. Wípé Fulani ó pa Yoruba. Is this achievement? No, it's stupidity. Instead of to be killing ourselves, why can't us use the power and promote ourselves? Why can't us use the power? Why the power that you want to use to kill me? Why can't you use the power to make my life better? Then I use my own power to make your life better. Instead of to be killing ourselves. Why are we killing ourselves? After you kill me, what is your gain? After I kill you, what is my gain? Nothing. Are you understand me here? If they want to compensate Sunday Igboho, they're free. for another friend. But don't let Emma waste yara, Emma waste time on you lori kan tó ní túmọ̀. We have, do you know how many forces we have in Nigeria? We have soldiers, navies, Toronto, Talanta, and so on and so forth. We have custom. We have many forces. So, ṣé ẹgbẹ́ kan wà tá fẹ́ dá sílẹ̀ nísìn tí irinṣẹ́ tó wà lọ́wọ́ àwọn yẹn máa wà lọ́wọ́ wọn? No, the same thing kan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àwọn tó ń dá sílẹ̀ náà ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí níwọ̀n tẹ́ bá dá sílẹ̀. Vigilante wà, oríṣiríṣi ẹgbẹ́. Okay? Let's preach humanity. Let's preach love. Don't let us preach killing ourselves. My fellow Nigeria, let's preach love. Let's preach unite. Let's stop preaching killing ourselves. And I tell you this night, if Yoruba kill Fulani, it's not achievement, it's a stupidity. If Fulani kill Yoruba, it's not achievement, it's a stupidity. If Igboh kill Hausa, it's not achievement, it's a stupidity. If Hausa kill Yoruba, kill Igboh, it's not achievement, it's a stupidity. We are not a human being. We are animals. But the power that we want to use to be killing people, let's use the power to help ourselves. What are we fighting for? Is it rank? Is it for me to do sonsa? It's nothing. Let's forget what our forefathers have done. Let's forget what happened yesterday. Let's face our front. That is the reason why God created our eyes for front, not back. That means don't look back. What have passed. The reason why you see that problem Nigeria does not solve today, they are reacting on what have passed. 50 years ago, 100 years ago, 60 years ago, 30 years ago. That is the problem we have, man. And if you don't forget what have passed, no solution. 30 years ago, your tribe killed my tribe. I need to kill your tribe back. Let accept that time as ignorance realization time. Time tí a ò tí gbọ́n, time tí a ò tí lóye, time tí a ò tí ní ìmọ̀, time tí a ń wo ilé ayé bí pé ó jẹ́ nǹkan kan. Okay? This is 2026. Ó yẹ kí èrò orí wa kó ti ju pé ká máa para wa lọ. In 2026, we are still behaving like animal. Shame to everybody. Shame to all of us. Shame to all of us. Both likewise me, like anybody in Nigeria. Shame to all of us. 2026. We are still preaching. Let's go and create something that we used to kill Fulani. Fulani, let's go and create something that we used to kill Yoruba. Hausa, let's create something that we used to kill Igboh. Let's create something that we used to create in 2026. We are mad. We are not a human being. We need to ashamed of ourselves. This 2026 now, Nigeria is supposed to be launching. Now we have a fantastic hospital in a different state that everybody can go. Now we have thousands of companies. Everybody that want to work. If you want to work in Abuja, go to Abuja. If you want to work in Kaduna, go to Kaduna. If you want to work in Lagos State, go to Lagos State. If you want to work in Igboh land, go to Igboh land. That is what we're supposed to be doing now. But in 2026, we are fighting. Because of what? Because I want to be ruled. Ruling with blood. Is that achievement? No. Please, we beg you. We beg you. We beg you. Let's beg ourselves. We want to do protests. If you do protests, soldier come out, put tear gas for your face. You go back home. We are mad. We don't need protests. We can use the power of social media. Preach love in your social media. Let me preach love. Hausa preach love. Fulani preach love. Yoruba preach love. Let's come together and settle this matter applicable and let everybody go on its own. We can live together if we cooperate. If I want to come and collect something in your hand, I will pay. If you want to come and collect something in my hand, I will pay. You will pay. Anything you lack in your town, in your territory, tell us. I will give you in my own town. Anything I lack in my town, I will tell you. You will give me your own town. We don't need to be killing ourselves. Please. This killing is too much. All our activists, we are begging you, stop abusing our elders. It's not their fault. Because what is happening is not just started now. We are talking about 60 years war, 100 years war, thousands of years war. That is what we are facing now. Abusing ourselves is not the solution. Oh, Tinubu, Omakuni, it's not the solution now. What can we do? Where have we failed? What do we do? All of us, don't put, if you want to make Nigeria better, don't put the blame of Nigeria on top of anybody's head. The blame of Nigeria is on top of me, on top of you. If we accept that, there will be solution. But if you say that the blame of Nigeria is on top of Tinubu, you don't want solution. If you say that the blame of Nigeria is for Fulani cause it, you don't want solution. If you say that the problem of Nigeria is Yoruba cause it, you don't want solution. If you say that the problem of Nigeria is Igboh cause it, you don't want solution. The problem of Nigeria caused by I and you. If we accept that, there will be solution. I'm the one that caused the problem of Nigeria. You are the one that caused it. Our forefather caused it. Please, I beg you. All the kidnappers in the bush, please leave bush and come inside town. Let the people in your hand free. I'm begging you, please. The bandit of Oyo that carry students. Ẹ dájú. Kí ló dé? Ẹ wo bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe bà ẹ̀yàn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ jẹ́. Why? Those are somebody like your Shindre. We don't need it. It's not supposed to be like that. See how you killed somebody's father because of what? Are we normal? What is the reason? Why? Why that? Why do you do that? Is it because of money? Is it because you want to live the world forever? It's not supposed to be like that. Kilo day, we don't need it. Yeah, we don't need that. We don't need to kill ourselves because of money. No matter what. Because you need to see that person. Like, if it is my wife, uncle, if it is my children, can I do that to the person? No, you cannot do that to your children. You cannot do that to your wife. Anything you cannot do for yourself, don't do it for another person. I see how how soldier kill one bandit. I pity for the bandit. This life, we are not normal again. It's not our fault. It's the fault of our forefather. Let's come together and settle this matter. Please. So don't let me talk too much. That is what I want to tell you this evening. Because God called me yesterday. Since when I did do all this, God never called me. God's called me for 2021 before. But I do something. I vacate from God to go and meet Satan. But 2024, 2025, I'm with Satan. I'm with Eshu. But yesterday, God called me that the work that I give my pastors, they don't do it. Go and help them. So that is what I'm telling you this evening. And I want all the bloggers to cut this video. I will post it. I will cut it and post this message. When you see this video, share it. God can use this video to bring solution to Nigeria. Don't say that, can we? Because they said, who they hear, which they talk. No. God can use any angle to solve problem. Problem come on top of one person's head. Problem can solve on top of one person's head. One person is one person that start problem. It's one person that will conquer problem. I know that problem cannot finish, but not reach the stage that we'll be killing ourselves. It's not supposed to be like that. Okay? Those are this. Don't let me answer these people in the comment section. So that is what I want to tell you this night. God bless you.
GBEDE-GBEYO media lọ́jọ́kọ́jọ́ àwa ni bàbá.